don't pay. I don't know.
Yeah,
they don't pay nothing in this country.
There's something like that as well in the world.
Okay, guys, I just decided to show you this type of houses, like where people are living, you know. Did you see this house? Oh my gosh. And this is Kimberly and Adora getting ready. I'm not coming in. No one is in there. And this is Kimberly just waiting for Adora to get ready, and then we can go swimming. You can change when you're there.
Yeah, I'm changing when I'm.
Yep. So they're gonna go swimming. They're going to the same place that we've been already. The mommy of the universe, the general mama. General mama. General mama. Gigi. I wish I can find. Let me see if I can find my phone here. Okay. Look at my outfit. Rate it from 1 to 10. Can you see? I go down a little bit. Hi. Hi, people. You see Kimberly jumping over there. Happy Tuesday. After yesterday bank holiday, today we're still here. We just came to wait for Adora, so Kimberly and Adora can have some fun together, you know. So yeah, today's another day. I don't know if I remember today's day. I think 26th. Today is 26th of August 2025. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. KEF show word. Go on like. You know, like with that thing. Let me show you my beautiful. Look at them. Look at them, they're vibing. Adora is finished dressed. Adora finished dressed. And this is me, the general mama. Just here.
Guess.
Let me hold yours.
Thank you. Hi.
Okay, that's Kimberly. Alright, me and you. Should we dance? I'm not dancing, I just wanna go around.
Got the longest hands in the world. What are you doing, mommy?
Should I close it?
Do you want
Hi. Hi, everybody. This is cute. This is me.
And
my
then
beautiful
background
daughter.
character.
Background character. That's Adora. And this is me and my princess.
Again, background character.
Background character Adora. I think we need a nice picture together like this. Me with my beautiful girl.
Ew.
What's that? What happened? Is it my hair?
No, it's because there's your spray went in my tongue.
Oh, sorry. We go. Are we ready? We are running late. If you don't get it, you leave it.
For commerce yesterday, that was the accommodation.
Look at the view. The view. There is Kimberly again. Are they doing well? This is the princess of the tour. This is Adora and Kimberly having a play day today in a different location. What happened to your leg? Today? That is bad. You have to wait. Wait for your dad, guys. Oh yeah, baby, come carry me. Get your phone. Let me take you. You are the beach. This is different from Brighton. Adora, come. Stay with your dad. Get down, beautiful. Don't go down. Look at the view. A lot of things to look at. This is Kimberly and Adora. Just enjoying the view. Look at them. And look. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Okay, this is Kimberly and Adora just talking through what they're doing, you know, as they're going to the place to have some fun. Yeah. This is me. I think it's a gym park, gym ground.
Is that Butlin playground? No, there was one in there. That is.
Hi people, we're at the beach, you know, this is me. I'm just feeling myself. Feeling myself, guys. Do you like what I'm wearing today? From time to time. From Hi everybody. Hope you all are okay. Let's go with the kids. Let's go on a vacation holiday thing. It's holiday. Follow us as we go.
Is this called Butlin's book?
Yeah, I think so. It is, yeah. It is
I
Butlin
imagine there's going to be
something.
4.55.
That's the view. Although for many of you who is watching my video, you can see that I'm close to the beach as well in Brighton. But this is in Brighton. We just go out of Brighton, you know. Now we're going to that place that you can see those lights up. That's where they are going to eat. So we're just walking beside the beach as they're going. Alright, follow us. Yeah. The general map of the city. Guys, look at the little train they've got. There is a tiny train.
I heard it's messy. See, it's good I didn't wear that.
We're going up, up, up. Unbelievable. We were sitting on the beach and the water just fall all over me, you know. We were sitting right there and the water is all over my body. Gosh, I'm soaking wet with beach water. So happy. Yes, guys, still on the trip. Follow us as we go. Look at the beautiful beach view. This is where we are. Look at that. The wind is blowing my hair, guys. That's why it's like that. This is me. Happy holiday. Holiday team. Let's go. Let's go.